हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फाइनेंस विद कपिल जी। ये सीरीज एमसीक्यू सीरीज 6 है। इसको मैं रिविजनरी सीरीज भी बोलूँगा क्योंकि इस सीरीज में मैंने सीरीज 1 से लेकर 5 तक के जितने भी एमसीक्यूज हैं उनको कवर किया है। इसलिए इसको मैं एमसीक्यू सीरीज 6 को रिविजनरी सीरीज के नाम से भी बोलूँगा मैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि सीरीज 6 को देखना है तो इसमें सीरीज 1 to 5 टोटल कवर हो जाएंगी और इस सीरीज में 50 एमसीक्यूज हैं जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। आप एक बार में ही सारे 5 सीरीज को कवर कर सकते हैं। बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, इस पे मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा, आप इसको स्टॉप करके देख सकते हैं, बट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन। MCQ 6 जैसे मैंने बता दिया, अगेन रिपीट करूंगा। इस MCQs में टोटल 50 MCQs हैं जो कि गाइस अगर आपको लगे ये वीडियो लंबा है तो आप स्टॉप करके क्वेश्चन और आंसर को देख सकते हैं। मेरा कोशिश यही रहेगा कि आपको मैं प्रॉपरली क्वेश्चन का रिव्यू कराऊं, आंसर को प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन करूं। फिर भी अगर आपको लगता है कि स्लो है या फास्ट है तो मुझे कमेंट करना ना भूलें। नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है। आपके पास जो टाइम टोटल रहेगा जो एक्चुअल एग्जाम में वो 100 एमसीक्यूज होंगे और टोटल टाइम होगा 120 मिनट। कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकते हैं एक्चुअल में जहाँ पर आपको फिजिकल कैलकुलेटर की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, तो कैलकुलेटर इज अलाउड इन दी एग्जाम। सो गाइस शुरू करते हैं एमसीक्यू सीरीज 6 को, जिसमें मैंने जैसे कि बताया कि टोटल 5 सीरीज को मैंने कवर किया हुआ है। तो इसमें 5 सीरीज, जैसे कि अगर आप देखेंगे एमसीक्यूज 1 सीरीज 1 2 3 4 5, तो इस सीरीज 6 में सारी 5 सीरीज कवर हो जाएगी। सो लेट स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ सीरीज 1, एनएवी ऑफ ए म्यूचुअल फंड। ए बी सी डी। A is always constant, B keeps going up at the steady rate, C fluctuate with market movement, D debt fund NAV cannot go down at all. The correct answer is fluctuate with market movement. Next question. The process of converting demat unit into physical form is called rematerialization. A true, B false. The correct answer is A true. Next question. If the NAV of a fund increase, it indicate A fund expenses has been decreased, B fund performance has improved, C more unit have been issued, D fund assets has reduced. Correct answer is fund performance has improved. Next question. The total expenses ratio TER is expressed as a percentage of A NAV, B total assets, C total liabilities, D market capitalization. The correct answer is NAV. Next question. What is the formula for calculating NAV? A assets plus liability divided by total unit, B assets minus liabilities divided by total unit, C liabilities divided by assets multiplied by units, D assets multiplied by liability divided by units. So the correct answer of this question is B, assets minus liability divided by total units. Next question. An index fund aims to A outperform the market index, B mirror the performance of a market index, C invest only in IPO, D invest exclusively in government securities. The correct answer of this question B mirror the performance of a market index. The next question. What is the primary object of a debt fund? A capital appreciation, B regular income generation, C speculative gain, D high risk investment. The correct answer is regular income generation. Next question. Which mutual fund scheme is ideal for short-term investment? A. Gilt fund. B. Liquid fund. C. Index fund. D. Thematic fund. The correct answer is liquid fund. Next question. Close-ended mutual funds are traded on A. Stock exchange, over the counter market, C. Government platform, D. Banks. The correct answer is A. Stock exchanges. Next question and the last question of the series 1. Which type of mutual fund invest predominantly in stock? A. Debt fund, B. Equity fund, C. Liquid fund, D. Hybrid fund. The correct answer is equity fund. So guys, I have covered the series 1. If you feel there is a speed problem from my side, please comment so that I can consider from the next series. Next series 2. The question 1 is, what is the full form of AMFI? A. Assets Management Fund of India. B. Association of Mutual Fund in India. C. Association of Market Funds in India. D. Assets Management Financial Institution. The correct answer is B. Association of Mutual Funds in India. Next question. Mutual fund pool money from A. Banks, B. Government, C. Individual and institutional investors, D. Stock exchange. The correct answer is individual and institutional investors. Next question. Which document contains detailed information about mutual fund scheme? A. Fact sheet, B. Offer document, C. KYC form, D. Application form. The correct answer is offer document. Next question. Which entity manages the operation of a mutual fund? A. Trustee company, B. Assets management company, C. SEBI, D. Registrar and transfer agent. Correct answer is B. Assets management company, AMC. Next question. What does NAV stand for? A. Net assets value, B. Non-aligned value, C. Notional assets value, D. National assets value. Very simple answer. A. Net assets value, which is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a benefit of mutual funds? A. Professional management, B. Diversification, C. Guaranteed return, D. Liquidity. Correct answer is C. Guaranteed returns. Next question. What is the primary object of a mutual fund? A. To maximize return for fund managers, B. To pool resources for investment in diversified assets, C. To guarantee return to investors, D. To collect taxes. The correct answer is B. To pool resources for investment in diversified assets. Next question. Who regulate mutual fund in India? A. IRDA, B. SEBI, C. RBI, D. AMFI. The correct answer is SEBI. Next question. What is a mutual fund? A saving account, B. A pool of money collected from investors for investment in securities, C. A government scheme, D. A loan product. The correct answer is B. A pool of money collected from investors for investment in securities. 10th question of series 2. Which of the following is not an SRO? SRO, self-regulatory organization. A. AMFI, B. Mutual Mumbai Stock Exchange, C. FPSB India, D. IRDA. Correct answer is AMFI, AMFI. So, as of now, I have covered series 1 and 2 in the revision series of 6. So, let's go to the next series. Which of the following with regard to fixed maturity plan is true? A. It is an open-ended fund. B. It is an interval fund. C. It is a closed-ended fund. D. It is a fixed maturity deposit of a commercial bank. Correct answer is C. It is a closed-ended fund. Next question. Which fund has a least risk? A. Liquid funds. B. Short-term bond funds. C. Gilt funds. D. Long-term bonds. The correct answer is A. Liquid funds. Next question. Information regarding which category of investors can invest in mutual fund is given in A. Offer document, B. SAI, C. DIN, D. MIN. The correct answer is A. Offer document. Next question. If you receive an investment of rupees 50,000 in equity fund at 3:30 p.m. today, investor will get NAV of A. Closing NAV of day immediately preceding the date of application. B. Closing NAV of the day preceding next business day. C. Closing NAV of next business day. D. Closing NAV of next working day. The correct answer is C. Closing NAV of next business day, because the cutoff time is 3 p.m. if you want for the same day NAV. Next question. Maximum amount that can be invested in senior citizen saving scheme is A. 5 lakh, B. 10 lakh, C. 15 lakh, D. 20 lakh. The correct answer is C. Rupees 15 lakh. That is the maximum amount. Next question. Which of the following fund types are comparable? A. An aggressive equity fund and an aggressive debt fund. B. Bond fund and a debt fund. C. A well diversified equity fund and a well diversified debt fund. D. Money market fund and long term government security fund. The correct answer is B. A bond fund and a debt fund. Next question. Find the structure of mutual fund which is not odd. A. Equity fund, B. Debt fund, C. Interval fund, D. International fund. The correct answer is C. Interval fund. Next question. In hoarding or posters, the statement mutual funds are subjected to market risk. Please read dash should be minimum dash inches height. A. 6, B. 9, C. 5, D. 8. The correct answer is 8 inches height. Next question. Investing in gold ETF help. A. Guarantee high return. B. Not permitted in India. C. Reduce storage cost and impurity. D. Provide risk cover from burglary, fire, theft, etc. The correct answer is reduce storage cost and impurity. Next question and the last question of the series 3. Expense ratio is affected by A. Fund size, B. Plan opted direct or through distributor, C. Type of assets, D. All of the alternative. Correct answer is all of the alternative. So we have covered 3 series as of now. Let's go to the next series. Question 1. Annual yield on RBI relief bond is A. 9.5 pre-tax, B. 9.5 post-tax, C. 8.5 post-tax, D. 8.5 pre-tax. The correct answer is 8.5 post-tax. Please read post-tax. Next question. Money market is the market in which are traded A. New security that are issued, B. Previous security that were issued, C. Foreign currencies are traded, D. Short-term debt securities. Correct answer is short-term debt securities. Next question. Appropriateness is defined as selling by only that product categorization that is identified as best suited for investors with a defined upper ceiling of risk appetite. A. True, B. False, C. Don't know, D. Insufficient data. The correct answer is A. True. Next question. In the growth option offered by mutual fund, the number of units held by an investor. A. Growth in NAV, capital appreciation. B. Reinvestment of dividend, which is like compounding. C. Interest received on fund asset. D. None of the above. The correct answer is D. None of the above. Next question. Which of the following has least amount of risk among equity options? A. Large cap funds, B. Mid cap fund, C. Small cap fund, D. International funds. Correct answer is A. Large cap funds. Next question. Legally, SAI is a part of A. KIM, B. SID, C. ACES, D. Agni AGNI. Correct answer is B. SID. Next question. If an investor wishes to change the distributor, very important question. A. Investor need to get NOC from the previous distributor. B. Investor need to give written request to fund house. C. Investor need to give written request to fund house and NOC from previous distributor. D. Trustee can allow. Correct answer is investor need to give written request to the fund house. Next question. Which of the following with regard to board of trustee of a mutual fund is true? A. They act as trustee to protect the interest of investors. B. They manage portfolio of investor to ensure that they do not suffer any loss. C. They empanel distributors for marketing mutual funds. D. They float new scheme for investors. The correct answer is A. They act as trustee to protect the interest of investors. Next question. An investor looking for tax benefit in a hybrid fund must use A. Conservative MIP, B. Equity oriented balance fund, C. Debt oriented fund, D. Aggressive MIP. Correct answer is B. Equity oriented balance fund. Next question of the last question of series 4, which I have already covered in the previous series. So the question is, the choice of an appropriate benchmark for evaluating fund performance depend on A. Investment objective of the fund, B. Fund manager as he ensure performance of the scheme, C. Head of sales and CIO as they are the creator of the scheme, D. Trustee as they approve the scheme. The correct answer is A. Investment objective of the fund. So guys, keep continue comments if I am slow or the fast, so that I can keep from next series. Coming is the MCQ 5. So MCQ 5 question first is, interest rate sensitivity in debt fund depend on A. Credit profile, B. Average maturity, C. Yield to maturity, D. Current yield. The correct answer is B. Average maturity. Next question. A disclosure should be made in the offer document if AMC has invested more than following percentage of its net asset in group companies. A. True, B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Next question. Kim is A. Abridged version of OD, B. Abridged version of MA and AA, C. Summary of data containing historical NAV of all the schemes launched by the fund house, D. Annual report of AMC. The correct answer is A. Abridged version of OD. Next question. Which of the following is not the least step in the financial planning? A. Understand financial goal, B. Selecting fund of international market, C. Studying object of the scheme, D. Gather client data. The correct answer is D. Gather client data. Next question. Recurring expenses includes A. Fund management fees, B. Registrar and transfer agent fees, C. Marketing and selling expenses, D. All of the alternative. Correct answer is all of the alternatives. Next question. For evaluating sectoral funds, the preferred benchmark would be A. BSE Sensex, B. S&P CNX Nifty, C. BSE 200, D. S&P CNX Sectoral Indices. The correct answer is D. S&P CNX Sectoral Indices. Next question. Offer document is same as A. SID, B. SID and SAI, C. SAI, D. SID, SAI and KIM. The correct answer is B. SID and SAI. Next question. Financial planner and their clients should be focused on A. Allocating fund to various assets classes based on their objective, B. Allocating fund to individual securities, C. Tracking shares that have upside potential, D. Minimize losses. The correct answer is A. Allocating fund to various assets classes based on their objectives. Next question. Which of the following is a physical asset? A. Securitized debt, B. Real estate, C. REITs, D. Gold futures. The correct answer is B. Real estate. Next question. So next question is the last question of this series 5 and even the last question of this series 6, as I prepared as a revision series. So the question is, which of the following is untrue of unclaimed amount? A. AMC can deploy in debt fund and AMC can charge recurring expenses. B. AMC must make effort to trace the investor and remind them through letters. C. Annual report to mention unclaimed amount. D. Annual report to mention number of investors in each scheme. So the correct answer is A. AMC can deploy in debt fund and AMC can charge recurring expenses. So guys, this was the last question of this series 6, which was the revisionary, which I have covered 1 to 5 series in this series 6. So guys, all the best in advance for your exam. I wish you clear your NISB exam in the first attempt. Thank you for the watching this video. अगर आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।